everyone, hope you're doing well. So I thought I would do a little bit of a different video for you guys today because I'm just trying to change it up and I'm really loving this brand and I don't know if you know about it, so I thought I would inform you. So as you know, I'm at uni and one thing about me is that I love to keep clean, as most people do, and I've just really found it kind of hard being a new place, traveling without a car and transportation to get to like grocery stores and other places to get like my favorite like food and cleaning products. So I try and like savor up like time on the weekends to go far out and get things, but it's kind of like one person, it's really hard to do all the time and carry all the stuff in an Uber. So I came across Grove Collaborative that does cleaning supplies and laundry, and now they have some skincare and stuff like that. And I'm not affiliated with them at all, but I do have a link for you, just because when you sign up they give you a link. So you might want it. And I think, so I don't know much about it, and this is, you'll have to go on the site itself, and this is why I'm kind of feeling like I have to put this disclaimer out there is, I have no idea I'm doing this video, and I don't know all the ins and outs of it, but from what I understand is that it's like a subscription service if you wanted to, or you can like roll it over to the next month or whenever you want, and you handpick things that you go and use all the time in your bathroom, in your kitchen, in your bedroom, floors, whatever, what have you, skincare, toilet roll, all that, and you can like repurchase or buy stuff. And what I think was just really nice about it was that they were really good like natural products and quality products that we have in our regular grocery stores like Mrs. Meyer's and stuff like that, and also the fact that they were significantly cheaper and you got a whole load of goodies for free all the time, which I love. So I thought I'd unbox it with you because, yeah. Oh, so it says, so happy to meet you. So that's really nice. And then it says, healthy, beautiful home. And I just love stuff like this. This is my zone. So welcome to the community. Hope you have an amazing Grove experience. Reach out by email or text. And you get like assigned a person that will kind of help you with your home and maintaining a good one. She's from Chicago, yes. But love the California coast. I live in San Francisco, and in my free time, I love hiking, spending time at the beach, and all that stuff. So that's from Caroline. So that's so cool. Oh, I love that. So I believe Caroline might be my particular special person. So you might be assigned someone else. So yeah, let's see what I got. It's packaged really nicely, and there's tape on everything, which, you know, was my concern considering, you know, you're buying cleaning products. I bought this, but I think there's a promo where you get this for free, but I could not get it. So I got this tin because I think this would be really great storage in my bathroom. Put my cleaning products or under the cupboard, and it's just a nice white tin, and it says Grove Collaborative on it. I believe it retails for $14, which I didn't find too bad. It's a cleaning caddy, and then if you have it downstairs, you can put your items in and transport it upstairs too. So I thought this was just nice to have, and it's nice and clean. You can put whatever you want in there. This smells so good in here. And these products that I bought, they remind me of Iran the most, based on the scent. I think I got these free too. These are like natural sponges. I really like that. One, I like the color because I'm not always into like the lime green, the pinks and the blues. I like a more natural, neutral kitchen, and also I like the fact that they're not artificial in any way and they just look very good. So you've got a scouring side and a soft sponge side. So I really like this because I can put one in my kitchen and one in my bathroom. I don't have a big space, but that's nice, and I can put it in my little caddy. I think I got this free, if I'm not mistaken. Oh yeah, those were the walnut and cellulose scrubber sponge. 2-pack made from renewable plant materials, and I just love the like card and everything. This is, if I was to come up with a cleaning company and products, this is exactly how I would have done it. So I just love that. It's so beautiful, and it just makes you want to be all like homey. I got this flax beige 100% cotton kitchen towel. You could choose different colors, and you can just machine wash cold and tumble dry this low. But I really, again, like that neutral look, so pop that in my little caddy. And then this, you can choose, and with the freebies, which I really love, is you can choose the scents that you like. So I chose Method Sweet Water, and this was a hand wash, and I just, again, like the clear cap. And I haven't tried Sweet Water myself, but I've heard of people liking this scent. So if I can open it, we can smell it. Really nice and refreshing. It does smell like an ocean breeze, if that makes sense. But yeah, I got that. So that's a really nice way to try out their different products for free. I mean, that's really cool. And then I had to buy this. This is my favorite. This is the Mrs. Meyer's hand soap lavender scent. The lavender scent doesn't really smell like lavender. I mean, it kind of does, but it has this Iranian scent. And I don't know how to describe that unless you are from Iran and you use their soap products. But if you smell this, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. And I love Mrs. Meyer's. So I also got the multi-surface everyday cleaner in lavender scent. I got the dish soap in lavender scent. So I don't know how much of this I actually bought myself. I should have prepared a little bit better for this video. The Mrs. Meyer's, I bought the toilet bowl cleaner, again in the lavender scent, so it's a running theme. And then the Method Anti-Bac Bathroom Cleaner in Spearmint, because this I remember I bought myself because I desperately wanted a good, clean, safe one for toilet seats, for my tub, for the sink. I wanted it for everywhere. I wanted it to be really good for germs, and I didn't want it to smell like a regular bathroom cleaner. It just kind of puts me off. So Spearmint kind of tickled my fancy. So let's smell this. Oh yeah, it smells so good. It just smells very clean. Maybe a little bit too clean in the sense that it's quite sterile in smell, but it's better than those artificial lemony scents. And I just wanted something else, and I think it will be nice. It's quite sweet because it's spearmint, not like a mint flavor. So it's just a different scent. So I'll let you know if this works and disinfects nicely, and how the scent lingers. But I think it's really good for like weekly cleaning. And that's all I got, but I'm super happy with that. So I think I bought this one, and I think I bought the toilet bowl cleaner, and I think I bought something else. I don't know if I bought I think I might have only bought those two things and then got all these for free, if I'm not mistaken. If I am mistaken, I'll let you know down below what I got. But that's awesome, and I literally only spent like $20, and that's not much considering how much I bought. And again, as I said, you can get skincare, body care, things for your bathroom, things for your bedroom, things for your kitchen, things for your floor, and you can get like little accessories and scrubbing brushes. I might do that next, and then little accessories, and then I think you can even get like toilet tissues and stuff like that. And that just is so handy for people like me who, one, doesn't have time, doesn't have the transportation, and they can just deliver that, however often you want. I think it's amazing. So yeah, I thought I'd just do this really quick video. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you very soon. Take care, guys. Bye.